Good morning here, Canada. It's about around 11:30 in the morning, July 26. What? 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 You want to go up? You tell Ate Dada. You tell Dada, okay? You tell Dada. You go to the Ate Dada. Okay, okay, come. Oh, there's Bryson. Oh, there's Bryson. Oh, Ate Dada would like to join you in the hammock. Okay, okay, okay. You're right there. Your papa. Okay, you go to Ate. After 6 months, ito, July 27, 2023. Nag-install ako ng duyan. Then, I was supposed to sit on a small chair with a back support. But I was not able to do it yesterday. Nagyaka ako sa Bisaya pa. So, nag-back pain na po ko. 6 months after na last attack was, I think, January or February. It's okay. Bearable. It takes a heart of steel of a man to withstand the back pain that I'm talking about. It's 26 years or 27 years since 1997 that I injured my back. Here's the electronic hot packs. So hot packs for the meantime. And also since I arrived on last April 2023, May, June, uh, still with the problem, we're not perfect of constipation. So I regularly take prunes, that fruit. Then my gastritis recurred. So back pain and epigastric pain this time. Anyway, I have this bought by my daughter, but it's Gaviscon. It's only Gaviscon. Maybe from that's, can you read it? Gaviscon. There. Gaviscon. It's a protection of your gastroesophageal sphincter because the acid is having a reflux to the esophagus from the stomach. So it's hard. It's I tried isomeprazole, but it didn't work out for 14 days before breakfast. Isomeprazole 20 milligrams, so that 40. I'll try this one just for pain reliever. 2 teaspoons, that's okay when there is pain. And that's my ordeal. Nobody can tell us right thing to do, but just enjoy. Oh yeah. Bear the pain of human trials. Hello, hi. I think hi. Hi for the back pain. Let's have this for a while. Oh yeah. I'm still lucky that after my accident in 1997, I have a heavy fall on my buttocks from the table straight to the floor because the monoblock chair gave up. It the plastic chair was broken when I step on. When I was going down, that time I was fixing my things. That was my last few days uh, in my training at Tapo Medical Center with my remaining days there. So I met that accident. I have herniations on my spinal column. L3, L3, L4, L4, L5, lumbar, and whiplash here, whiplash. That's why I have local vertigo. C3, C4, C4, C5 here. Numbness of the hand is okay. It's still bearable. Yet I was able to work and support my family. That's still a grace from God. It's okay. Thank you for watching. See you around. I'll pray for you and for the whole world.